Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 4a, and today I'll show you how to enter the safe mode. And to get started, let's hold the power key, and when you see the boot options, you want to hold power off. So when you hold it, it will bring up this window right here. Reboot to safe mode. Do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. So basically what it means that any app that you have installed from Play Store after the setup is going to be by default disabled and stopped from starting up. So let's tap on OK, initiate the reboot. Now this mode is designed for people to test if, for instance, when their device is having some kind of technical problems, something's malfunctioning, you can boot into safe mode and see if that is something that that is caused by for instance, a rogue application messing with your device, or if it's just a device that is malfunctioning itself, maybe some hardware parts. But once it reboots, you can see that there is the mark right here, safe mode, just so you are certain that the device is in the desired mode. And that is how you would boot into it. And when you're done with it and you want to leave it, all you need to do now is hold power key, and this time around just tap on restart. And when the device boots back up, it will then go back to the normal mode. And there we go. So as you can see, we're now back in the normal mode. And that is basically how you boot in and out of the safe mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.